Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can add audio to Hedra AI. In order to do so, here we are at hedra.com, and what we're looking for can be found. Most likely what you're looking for is in animate an avatar. So if you're looking to do lip sync, then you can either animate an avatar or you can create a talking video. Let's go ahead and take a look at animate an avatar. And here you can see that you can add your start frame, and then here you can add speech. So if we click on that, then you'll see here we have a couple of options. We can generate speech, we can upload, we can record audio, or we have our library here as well. So if you are looking to generate audio with Hedra, probably through lip sync, that's how you're going to do it. You can also go to the create a talking video option, and you should get something similar. Looks like it actually leads to the same place. It sure does. So there you go. Come over here, check out animated avatar or create a talking video, and you can add your speech, upload audio to Hedra. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription, and check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra to get started. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link, and you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.